Smile. There they go. Yeah, it's coming around.
Wow.
I'm excited. What a well-themed ride too.
Yes, the fact that they're standing on a surfboard.
Yeah, I love it when roller coasters find their themes. All right, sweet. Let's go get in line for this thing. Once again, digging the soundtrack.
Yes.
Off the handrail. And close your body. With the center instructor,
Thanks.
please sit fully upright with your back against the seat so they can check your harness.
We are fully standing up right now, ready to go.
Crazy. I don't know what to think about this.
It's pretty comfortable though, actually.
Yeah.
You can raise and like raise. So gonna get some airtime on this. We're gonna see if I can keep my arm out. We're gonna see. Oh my gosh.
Are you getting nervous?
I'm a little bit nervous.
Yeah.
Nah, it's gonna be fun. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna have to ride that again. I'm gonna have to ride that again.
Oh my God, it's music.
I don't know, but that's such a weird sensation.
I'm definitely gonna have to ride that again.
It was crazy because like the moment you got airtime, you felt like you were about like flying off the rock.
Yeah, you felt you were like just floating up. It was great though. I don't know, just because of how unique it is, that might be my favorite ride here.
That's a lot of fun.
It was very unique, and I love the theming, and it's SeaWorld's. You just keep it up. All right, so definitely 10 out of 10. Recommend Pipeline.
No, that was.
You feel like you're literally flying at points because you're flying off the ride.
No, like you literally
because
are
it bounces up,
airtime.
and yeah, it's just a really great ride, great roller coaster, unique roller coaster, and the whole theme of it and everything is great. So yeah,
I loved it. Surf's up, dude.